Today I'll show you how you can customize the layout of your forum and change the design of your Wix forum. First, go under Settings, and under Layout you can see that you have two options available, Classic and Cards. Classic is this sort of layout. Let's go under Preview, and it will show your forum main page and your categories as a list. If you go back and change this to Cards, you have the options of small, medium, and large. Let's go with medium. You can see that the layout of your forum changes and your categories will show up as cards. This is the first option you have in changing the layout. Under the layout tabs, you can also change the header height, category text alignment from left to center, and if you so choose, you can delete the header, like so. Under the Design tab, you have further options. You have header, posts, and icons. Let's go from top to bottom. Under the Header tab, you can change the design of your forum navigation menu and header. Let's first change the background of the forum navigation menu so you can see more clearly what I'm talking about. This is the forum navigation menu. Here, you can change the font of the navigation menu, change the color, change the color of alert icons and notification icons, and also, as we saw, change the background. Under header text style, you can change the font and size of the title and the description. This is the title, this is your description. Click here, change the theme to make it bigger or even make it smaller. Change the font and change the size. Same here with font and size. Now let's go back and go to the posts. Under the Posts tab, you can change the post text color, change the font for the post title, change the font size, change the font for the description, and also change colors for various backgrounds. For example, you can change the forum background color, the post background, and also the border and opacity. If we widen the border, you can also change these colors. Let's keep them black. And finally, under icons and buttons, you can change the button color here, like so. Change the color for links and hashtags, and also change the icon colors. And this is how you can customize the layout of your Wix forum and design your own customized Wix forum. Thanks for watching.